Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix OBS Studio keeps crashing on Windows 10 or 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for Windows 11. First step would be to right click on the Start or Windows icon, and we have to go to the settings. So click on it, and once we're here, click on System, and from the options at the left, click on Display. And we're already at the display page, and from here we are going to scroll down a bit and click on Graphics Settings. From here, if you can see the OBS Studio app, you can click on it, click on Options, and make sure that it is set to High Performance. Once you have selected that, click on Save, and you have done the first step. The next step would be to search for Firewall, and from here we are going to click on Allow an app through Windows Firewall. So click on that, and from here we are going to look for OBS Studio. If you don't see the app right here, first we're going to click on Change Settings, and we are going to search for OBS Studio and click on Open File Location. Once you have done that, right click on OBS Studio right here, and we click on Open File Location. And we are going to note where our OBS Studio is located. So it is in these folders. Just gonna go through. It is in my C drive, so look for yours as well on where your OBS app is. Once you have searched it, click on Allow another app right here, and we click on Browse. From here, since for me it is in the C drive, Program Files, OBS Studio, the bin folder, 64-bit, and here is the OBS app. Click on Open right here, and click on Add. Now it should be within the allowed apps for the Windows Defender Firewall, and make sure that it is checked like this one. Once you have done that, click on OK, and you have done the second step. The third step would be to restart your PC first after you have done those first two steps, and after that, we search for OBS, and you click on Run as Administrator. If it is on your desktop, you right-click on OBS Studio and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes and see if that fixes your problem. If that did not work, the fourth step we can do is to search for CMD, and we run it as Administrator. Click on Yes, and what we're going to type in is a command that says sfc /scan now. Make sure you type exactly as I did it, and once you have done that, hit enter, and it should start a system scan. It might take some time, 5 to 7 minutes. You just have to wait for it and see if it helps on fixing your OBS problem. And that is how you can basically fix OBS Studio keeps crashing on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.